Hey, what's up, guys? First, I want to apologize for the last video with the 90-degree right angle USB-C cables from Aukey. The audio, it didn't record my separate audio that I normally do. It only recorded audio off of my camera, so I apologize in advance. But we're back today to talk about some more Aukey cables. These are also USB-A to USB-C cables, but they are not the right-angled ones. These are your normal, everyday, run-of-the-mill cables. If Aukey made your normal, everyday, run-of-the-mill cables. These are the CB-CMD29. CB-CMD29. Yeah, that's the model number for these. These are 2 meter, same as the last time, 6.6 feet, black, braided nylon, durable, flexible USB-A to USB-C cables. What's nice about Aukey's cables, again, whoo, they all came out that time. They're tough, they're durable, they look good, they don't look crappy. Aukey takes pride in their product's appearance and also the durability and the way their products work. Now, we got the nice little Velcro wrap here. This is, again, a 6-foot cable, but this is just your standard ends on them. Get this plastic off. Maybe. It's coming. Alright. But instead of this being like a hard plastic or something along those lines, this is a very gummy rubber around that. These things are going to last you. They're flexible. They're durable. I will break my hands doing this long before this cable breaks. These will transfer data up to 480 megabits per second. These will do adaptive fast charge and Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 if you are using a power brick that supports one of those or a power bank that does. Quick Charge 3.0 can charge up to 3 times faster depending on your device. Now, these giant cables are $14.99 on Amazon. But you're not going to pay $14.99 for them because they're on sale for $9.99. But you're not going to pay $9.99 if you go to Amazon right now because there's a coupon that you can get an extra $2 off. So you can pay $7.99 for them. For two $15 cables, you can literally get them at half off. I'll put a link below if you'd like to check these out. Aukey makes some fantastic things, and it seems like the only things around here that I have that are USB-C at the moment are headphones. This obviously doesn't look like a headphone. We're not going to talk about what it looks like, but they're headphones, I promise. Anyway, if you'd like to check this out, click the link in this. So if you'd like to check these out, click the link in the description below. I'll also link to Aukey's website so you can check these out. I appreciate Aukey for sending me these cables as a part of Team TechKey, for allowing me to test out their stuff. Deeply appreciated. Check out the hashtag Team TechKey online. You can do it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, whatever. See all kinds of other reviewers and influencers' videos on Aukey products. There's some great ones out there. Even this one, maybe. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That'd be awesome, and I would totally appreciate it. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and just hit the thumbs down button if you want to. I mean, it's cool. You can do it. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.